Hello guys, this is Mamadou here. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how room instructor and courses work in this integrated schedule application. And for these three, basically we are implementing CRUD operation using Flask approach. And let's take a look how these three finally look and the output basically. Let's go to room first. Room. As you can see, this is the final output of the room registration, and the idea behind it is to be able to add, delete, and update the information about the room. And to do this, we need three main information, which are the building's name, the room number, and the capacity. And let's do an example and see how it looks. And let's click add room. It takes us to this page, and we've just fill out the information here. And let's say it's the engineering science building, ES building name. And for classroom, let's say 22, and the capacity 25. And click submit. As you can see, the link we just created is right below here. And if we click room list, it takes us back to the main page of room list. And we have two other functions, which are update and delete. And if we click on update, it brings back the information we just entered, and we just edited, and click update, and it just updated the information. And if we go to delete, it just basically deletes the link we just created. Let's try to delete this link. Okay, it asks us, do you want to delete this room? And we said okay, and it just deletes the link we just created. So basically that's how the room list works. And the guys who created it are Ashton, Nicholas, and Kevin. These are the information right below these pictures. And I think that's it about the room list. And let's take a look at the instructor. Instructor, here we have this welcome page here, and also the same idea as room. The idea that is to be able to update, delete, and create instructor. So let's try to add an instructor and see how it works. Click on add instructor. It takes us into this page here, and we just fill out the information. Let's give an example. Doctor point. Okay, next, first name, let's put the teacher's name, Ahmed, and the last name, Farouk. Okay, let's click add and see. Add, it just adds the link. We just it's just add the information below here in the link. So yeah, previously I added another one, but also I added a link to it. And if you click this link, it will take you to the information, to more information basically about the professor. Okay, let's click on go back home page. And as I said before, if you want to read some more information, I had here Dr. Jacob, but if you needed some more information, I added a link, and if you click this link, it's more information about Dr. Jacob. And also we had here a delete, update, which basically does the same thing as previously on the room. But let's just take a look. Update here, you just update the information here, and click update. It just update the information and go back to the top of page. This is if the list is a long list. If you want to go back on top of the page, you just click this one. And about this program is about like basically who made it and what's the program about, and the contacts list is the contacts of the people who made it. Let's click that and see. Oh, okay. Let's go back home page and see. I think something's wrong. So let's see back on contacts us. Okay, this is the contacts of the information, the information of the people who created it, which are Michael, Randy, and CD. And you click back home page, it takes you back to the home page of instruction. And this is basically the same as room. And let's try the delete button and see how it goes. Delete, access the same thing. If we want to delete the instructor, and we say okay, and it just delete the link. And that's it about the instructor. Let's go to courses and see how the final look of courses. Courses here, we have the final look of courses, and the idea behind it is to be able to update and remove, add course, and more information. And this one had a background picture, and let's add a course and see how it goes. Click on add information. It brings us to this page, and we're gonna put here the information needed. Let's try EECE, and the title says software. Development, and course number, let's say 4081, and sections 1. Create. This is the link we just created, and yeah, we have also an update button here if we want to change the section to O2. Let's say, let's see how it works. Just change it to O2, and if you click on more information, it brings you like basically more information, the course name and the description. But since we didn't do any description, it will not have anything in there. We also have remove button. Let's click on remove and see. Remove. Are you sure you want to delete this course? Let's say yes. You just deleted the link we added. And we also have a filter here which filters the data on this table. And let's say we want to filter all the EECE courses. EECE. It pulls out all the EECE. And let's say we want to pull out software development. Software also pulls out, it filters the software development. So it's really neat. Even the section number, let's try the section number 006. It just filtered it. So it's really neat. It's really helpful, this filter. If you have a bunch of information, it's like really helpful. About this part of the program, it was done by Jonathan, Gregory, and Georgine. I think it looks really good, and this is it about the courses, and thank you.